Do you know how to keep your content fresh across so many accounts and platforms? JarveePro Advanced Content Explorer is the solution. It's the bridge between searching for ideas and creating the content that transforms search results into ready-to-use contents across platforms. Let me show you how to set this up. First, head to Settings. To use the AI feature, you just need to add your API key here. We support both Spinner Chief and ChatGPT. Next, check out the AI templates page. We have lots of presets ready for you, but for the advanced users, you can fully customize these, like insert variables and tell the software where to pull the data from. Now, let's create a task. You'll see 3 types: search, generate, and search plus generate. We're going to use search plus generate because it's the most powerful. Here is a real example. I want to promote JarveePro. I set the keyword to JarveePro to find relevant posts on Twitter, then set the number to 50 and turn on the real-time monitor. In the AI template settings page, I simply select the Twitter post template. Let's run the task. The system will now find those tweets and automatically generate new promotional copy based on them. And there you go, content is done. The only thing left is the delivery. We are working on some very cool updates for the AI agents. Once generated, you can deploy these to our AI agents for cross-platforms publishing. I'll be showing you the full deployment workflow in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you then.